Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out.
Gosh, girl. Okay, so we're back at it again, and we're doing, say your name.
My name's Casimir.
We're doing Casimia's hair today for Valentine's Day, and let's get it go. Okay, so we're gonna do a heart in the back. Okay. See, I can see the part. Turn around. Okay, I'm finished almost the back. We're about to add the red for a heart. So we can do a knotless braid, a little. Okay guys, the back is finished. You got a little red right there for the last little heart cutouts going to the side. We don't have the beads on it yet, but we'll get them done. Time to do the top.
I'm almost done.
She's almost done.
Next, and she has to get her hair done and get the beads in there. Then come show them their hair. Come show them their hair. You guys see her head? You guys see her head? She has her hair. You was looking like this too. I know, and then I got my hair finished. It says love, you guys. Love. You guys, it says love right here. Love. And it actually does not say love. It says, but I can't. It starts off A Oh.
It says Love. Love.
Love. It says love. And
on this side it says V-Day for Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Next head, y'all. We're doing the back. We got a heart going right here. We're about to do a heart over here. Turn a little bit and then down so they can see how I do this heart. It's an easy little method, y'all. Do a little heart.
Hey, chill out. Don't be so angry.
Barbara? Hey, what brings you here?
Okay, so what we do is we just part the hair that we already got, the square down the middle. We're gonna put this part up here, but we don't need it yet. Then this one, we're just going diagonal part, like the triangle. And then we'll put the comb on this part, and we're gonna braid up and down. Okay, y'all, this one side done. Now we're gonna braid this one up here.
You're
Please do not say weird.
different.
Is that bad?
That's what I want.
There we go. Go around here.
Oh, hey, that's my mom.
Take the
Usually,
comb out.
you don't know how she is with guys.
And we're gonna braid it down. We're gonna grab that other hair so we can make it as into one.
Excuse me, I was wondering if you
Then
need help. Oh, yes, dear. Hold this for a minute because I have so many keys right here. This always happens to me. I can never find the right one. My son tells me you don't have to carry all those keys with you, Mom. You have his, some of mine. Ah, there it is. Yes, it's this one, I think. Ah, yes, that's it.
hey you guys. Now that was just another heart. As y'all can see, turn this way. I got two. I like to put beads on
It just magically untapped.
when
I don't
I'm
understand
done it
anything,
so I can be
but
like
something's gonna happen with my
done
mom
with
and
the rest by the time I'm finished. So that's just what I do, guys.
If you see anything, Josh,
Okay, we're at the top now. Let's the heart on this side. We already put one on the other side.
take it is, it's once
Then we go do the ponytail and we're gonna be finishing this up, guys. Okay, you guys, we're almost done. We got one more braid left, and you already know at the end you'll see the final results. We'll be back. This is the last braid, you guys. And we're gonna split it diagonal like that. Braid it up and then braid it around. Turn around. Yes, look good. Hair's done. Time to do the edges. Guys, it is late. About to take these girls home. And yeah, that's it. Well, you guys, you already know what time it is. Looks like you reached the end of my video. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. If you're returning, thank you so much for the continued love and support. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out.